This is a 2005 Chevrolet Silverado, made for the job site, the trail, and the town. The most desirable features on board this Chevrolet include power windows, air conditioning, a 6-speaker audio system, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has just over 55,000 miles. This truck's powertrain includes a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. Stop by today and test drive this truck for yourself.
Roberson Ford Lincoln Mercury is dedicated to do everything possible to ensure the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2100 Northeast 3rd Street in Bend, or contact us at 800-736-4498.